Thing is all done. Now we are going to develop the film. This is the developing area. In developing area we have 4 baths. First bath is developer bath, second bath is stopper bath, third bath is fixer bath, and fourth one is rinsing bath. Developer bath is nothing but alkaline solutions. It develops the film. What is developing the film? It removes the protective coating of the film initially. The film consists of silver bromide crystals coated on top and bottom of this plastic sheet, and over that there is protective coating which protects the film from the scratches. It protects from being damaged. And when we insert this film into the developer bath, initially it removes the protective coating, and then it develops the exposed silver bromide crystals. Exposed means on which the radiation has made an impact. It develops the exposed silver bromide crystals. What it means is it separates silver and bromide. Bromide is nothing but salt. We call it halides. Silver bromide, silver nitrate, silver chloride, and these are silver halides. It separates exposed silver and bromide separately, and then after 5 to 8 minutes of developing, we put it into the stopper bath. Stopper bath is nothing but water with just 1% nitric acid. Acid is opposite to alkaline. It stops the developing action, and then it removes all separated salts from the developing action. It removes all separated salts, and only the silver and unexposed silver bromide are left. And then we put it into the fixing bath. After rinsing for 30 seconds to 1 minute, we put it into the fixing bath. Fixing bath has plenty of chemicals which fixes the film. Here, all the unexposed silver bromide crystals are removed, and only after removing the unexposed silver bromide, the film will look like a black image like this. The film will be black like this, and before removing the unexposed silver bromide, it will be like pale green color, pale yellow color of film like this. And what this does is it hardens the film. After hardening the film will be touchable, and after fixing, it will be put into the water for rinsing. What this does is it removes all the chemicals which is involved in the previous processes. After rinsing this for about 2 minutes, we can view it under light, and light can be switched on now. Light can be switched on after this process. We can switch on the light and we can view it. We can view it for whether the image is clear, whether all the chemicals are removed, and when the image is clear, we can dry it. So this is called developing process. Developer is there, stopper is there, fixer is there, and rinsing is there.